Can you hear that? Nothing? Well, that's because this vehicle is electric, but its silence could be dangerous. That's why SESALY has invented Sesatunes Advanced, an intelligent solution to give a voice to electric and hybrid vehicles. With Sesatunes Advanced, your vehicle complies with Regulation R138. Sesatunes Advanced has 3 exterior sounds: the AVAS sound, acoustic vehicle alert system, pedestrian warning sound, the reverse alarm. With Sesatunes Advanced, you can customize the volume and sound priorities on each speaker. Sesatunes Advanced is a smart, multifunctional product compatible with CAN and FMS. SESALY goes even further with Sesatunes Premium, as well as the 3 exterior sounds, AVAS, acoustic vehicle alert system, the reverse alarm and the pedestrian warning sound. Sesatunes Premium manages and plays all the vehicle's interior sounds, like the radio, microphone, door movements, stop request, ramp rollout and alarms. Using the Sesatunes Premium app, you can personalize sounds, volumes and the vehicle's sound priorities yourself. Sesatunes Premium is compatible with CAN, FMS and IT4PT in discussion. A smart, customizable and multifunctional solution giving you more flexibility. Make your vehicle safe for you and road users with Sesatunes.